Things are never simple, are they, with old computers? Look at the mess here. Look what's going on. All I wanted to do this evening was go through a massive pile of floppy disks for here. So I turn on the Archimedes and it produces an error when booting. Turn it off again and then it was just a red screen of death. Now you know my luck with these machines. I've got Rod Hull's one over there and I've got, well, there's the other one that I don't have back. And yeah, I was thinking, oh no, not again. This has taken so much time and effort. And it wouldn't do anything, wouldn't reset the CMOS or anything like that. What's going wrong? And I thought, well, I'll take the top off and a poke around. Now, this module here flaps around a little bit. I reseated the ROMs because that's obviously the first thing you do, right? However, I found what the actual problem was this RAM module just needed to be pressed down on and then it came back to life. Now I think, and sorry to the Acorn fans, just a little bit of a criticism of design here, although I do move my machine around, actually compared to something like the Amiga, which I'm quite happily do that to, and be confident that the machine is going to be fine, or even the Master, there, that's, yeah, look, it's a Master, I'm not going to lift it with a finger. There's quite a lot of flex in this Archimedes case, and you can see it, the top's not on, but these plastics are very, very flexible. And I think even if you move it carefully, this board can move, and therefore seatings and all sorts of things in there could come loose. I'd be interested to hear from Acorn users, Archimedes users, of a solution for this. Do you perhaps store your Archimedes on a board, a wooden board, something rigid, for example, so when you move it, because I moved it carefully, it doesn't have things, moving around inside that perhaps you don't want moving around. Very interested to hear about that. Anyway, I'm going back to my big pile of floppy disks and my weak orange drink. Get this thing back together and hopefully not... You see, I've got to get it back together without flexing it again. Oh, Acorn, look here. Take a design cue from Commodore. Not bendy. Thank you.